Hey guys, welcome to this session. Our topic is computer networks and the communication. In the past video, we discussed about the local area network and the wide area network. We saw their definitions. We also discussed how these two differ by one another. So today, let's see the accessories that are used for the computer network connections. So here we're going to see various computer network components that are essential in order to facilitate the connections of various computer network. Now, we'll start discussing first these computer network components. Simply their concept that is computer network components. They include all the major parts that are needed to install a network, both maybe at office and the home level. So they're just all of the major parts or just major important devices that are there just are needed and are potential just to ensure that there is installation of the network both at maybe at home level or office level or just a larger area. Now, before delivering into installation process, you should be familiar with each part of all these computer network components so that you could choose and buy the right component that fits with your network system. So we see those computer network components. So these hardware components, they include the cable, hub, switch, NIC, that is the network interface card, modem, and the router. Now, depending on the type of the network which you are going to install, some of the parts they can be eliminated. Take an example, in a wireless network, you don't need cables, hubs, and so on. Now, the computer network requires the following devices, or some of them are just optional in case of wireless. The first one is interface card, that is NIC, then hub switches, cables and connectors, and the router modem. So these are just few of the computer network components that are required just to install the computer network. Now today we'll discuss about the network interface card, and the others we will discuss them in our next videos. We'll start with this network interface card NIC. This is simply a device that enables a computer to talk with the other computer slash network. So it's just kind of a electronic device that will enable your computer to talk with another computer, simply to enable the connection between your computer and the other computers. Now, using unique hardware addresses, maybe MAC address encoded on the card chip, the data link protocol employs these addresses to discover other systems on the network so that it can transfer data to the right destination. So this network interface card, how it works is that it uses a simple unique hardware address that is encoded on the card chip, whereby the data link protocol or just procedures or instructions employs these addresses to discover the other networks around it on such kind of a network so that they can transfer data or information to the right destination. Now there are two types of network cards. There are wired network cards and the wireless network cards. Now from these two, the wired NIC uses the cables and the connectors as a medium to transfer data, whereas in the wireless card, the connection is made using the antenna, uh, whereby that it employs the radio wave technology. Now, all modern laptop computers incorporate wireless NIC in addition to the wired adapter. As you can see, an example there to the photo. So I hope it's clear, guys. Thank you for listening. We've discussed the NIC, that is network interface card. It's just one of the network components that enable connection within computers. So in our next video, we'll move on to the other these computer networking components. Thank you.